Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 social tokens by market cap. We're going to start with Fusionist at number 1, followed by TokenFi, Rally, Only One, CERE, Torum, DeHub, Mint, SELO, and then we'll end it with Donut at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Fusionist with the ticker ACE. So for Fusionist, I see potential. Do you see these boys and girls? This looks to me like a potential symmetrical in the making. So the question we have is, are we going to get a symmetrical? Could we maybe zip a bit lower before heading higher? Or are we going to zip higher from here? Again, we need to see that curve coming first. And we need to see these lows being preserved. Because the moment we take out these lows, that's it. That's it, boys and girls. But if we preserve these lows and we start curving back up, ladies and gentlemen, we could be going higher. Much higher. So there is potential. However, Fusionist is already the highest in terms of market cap, 187 million. Doesn't mean it can't go any higher. But the point is, we are going to have to take things one step at a time. We are aware of the potential, but we'll just keep it in our watch list for now. TokenFi. Okay, look at token, USDT. If you look at token on Gate, right? TokenFi just started blasting off. Any signs of before it blasted off, any signs of a accumulation? Yeah, no. This was the accumulation. Wasn't really that obvious. And you don't always get to catch everything, right? Yeah, but this is TokenFi for you. It's out. It's out. It's out. It's out. That's it. We don't have any edge over this. We don't know how much higher it's going to go. If anything, if we had to count, right? If anything, this is a 1, down 2, up 3, down 4. Another 1, 5. That's it. And then a retrace. Deeper retrace. So how much lower are we going to go? Again, there's some noise over here. We are already at that noisy area. So again, we might just dip a little bit. And after that, we might see some sort of a resumption of the trend towards the upside for token. Rally! RLY against USDT. Where are we? Rally. Okay, so if you look at Rally, Rally looks really good. And we have a target. Ta-da! Fresh out of the oven for you at 7.2 cents. If you connect all the tops over here, you will see it is beautifully touching. Beautifully touching, right? 1, 2, 3. Oh, and we're already above the skinny pink line. Oh, so this is an inverse head and shoulders in the making. If you look very closely, this is a left shoulder. This is a head. And we're getting a right shoulder over here. And this right shoulder is a squeeze. Ooh, we like it. So lower highs, we're expecting a higher low. So again, we always ask the question, is this the low? Could we still zip a little bit lower? Yes, no? Again, we're not entirely sure. We are not entirely sure. Sometimes it just blasts off from here, right? Sometimes it drops a little bit lower first, consolidate a little bit longer before hitting higher. All depends upon BTC. It all depends upon BTC. So, of course, the longer it is the consolidation, the higher it would go, right? Doesn't mean if there is no long consolidation, it can't go any higher, but the width of the accumulation is usually equivalent to the height of the rise. Usually, right? So if anything, I don't think we're going to stop at 7.2 cents. The noisy area is here. So I think final target will be around 60, 70 cents. Right? Where we are, bro, we're just only 1.7 cents. If you go to like 60, 70 cents, that's like 4,000% yield. But we'll take things one step at a time. The first target we have is 7.2 cents. We're probably going to be heading towards potentially 10 cents, but we'll take a pit stop at 7.2 cents first. Because if you look over here, there's absolutely zero resistance. So if and when the time comes to rally back towards the upside, oof, it's going to be beautiful. It's going to be beautiful. So if anything, yeah, rallies, we're expecting big moves to come for rally. Big moves. So yeah, a resumption towards 60, 70 cents. Could we go to $1? Yeah, sure. We could clear the highs over here, and then there'll be $1. That'll be insanity if we really do go to $1. So yeah, again, we'll take things one step at a time. Even if you were to go to $1, right, it's going to take several months or years even before we hit any higher. But no guarantees. We'll talk about 7.2 cents first. Above the skinny pink line, remain with a bullish bias. Only one like against USDT. Here we are for like. We go to Gate. So again, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, always remain with a bullish bias. Right. Again, the highs are here. We're very close, in my opinion, to the end. Let me see. If I had to count, right? Yeah, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, again, I wouldn't be rushing in here. There has to be some sort of a consolidation. This was a nice symmetrical triangle. Bam! We break out. If you look very closely, this is actually a inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Bam! So again, we have to wait for the next chart pattern, right? And this is how you take on trades. You see a symmetrical. Once it hits targets, you get out, right? You see an inverse head and shoulders. Once it hits target, you get out. One by one, you take it step by step. So yeah, but again, we're above the skinny pink line. So we remain with our bullish bias. How long did it take? Let me see. Yeah, sometimes it takes 100 days to consolidate before the breakout comes. But anyway, like, looks really good. CERE Network. CERE against USDT. We already have a target for CERE here at 2.3 cents. Again, we're above the skinny pink line. We were in some sort of an accumulation. It's not exactly textbook perfect, right? But something like that. Something like an inverse head and shoulders, right? Slightly slanted here and there. Broke out. Now we're retesting the support. Again, we're above the skinny pink line, remain with a bullish bias, and we expect a bounce back towards 2.3 cents. So yeah, we're still remaining with our 2.3 cents target for CERE Torum. What's the ticker? XTM USDT. Here we are for Torum. Anything for Torum? Okay, so Torum, again, it's not exactly textbook perfect, but this was an accumulation, right? And now we're already out convincingly above the skinny pink line. The trend has really switched bullish. This was a falling wedge that came, falling channel. We broke out. Again, you can also count 5 waves over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we are coming back down. Right. Could we drop it lower, clear these lows, maybe head towards this noisy area before calling high? Yeah, of course. Or could we just zip out from here? Sure, of course. Of course. The point is that we're probably going to be going to, my guess is 50 cents. And after that, potentially towards $1.50, maybe $1.40. So here we are. It's another 700% yield, and after that, another 2,000. So the point is, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias for Torum. It all looks good though. All the social tokens look good. The hub. I can't find the hub though. I've been looking at the hub, DHB. But it's just not that convincing to me. Fairly new, fairly fresh. 0.0017. Is this the one? Yes. Nothing much for us to work with, so we're gonna have to skip the hub right for now. Mint against USDT. Here we are from Mint. Anything for Mint on Gate? Okay, same thing. Sometimes you don't get a nice bullish reversal chart pattern. Sometimes it just breaks out above the skinny pink line. So that's why you must have several indicators that can help you identify whether if the trend has really switched bullish or not. But anyway, we're already above the skinny pink line. We remain with our bullish bias. We expect more upside for Mint Club. How much higher do I think we could go? We're probably going to clear these highs over here. So this will be 13,555. Right now at 6,007. So from where we are to clearing this high will be 100%. Probably could be, clearing all of these highs as well. So probably this will be another 300% towards the upside for Mint. But the thing is, if it were to be me, right, I don't have an edge over this. So I would have to next Mint. Mint is a next coin for us. If you went through the coins that we took a look at just now, Rally was nice. Ace has potential, right? You understand why we're skipping Mint. SELO against USDT. Here we are for SELO. And let's look at it on MACD. Okay, SELO looks like it's in a potential. Doesn't mean it's going to happen. Potential squeeze. Okay, I don't think we should do this. We should just leave it as it is. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Higher lows. Okay, now we ask the question. Where is the next higher low? Are we going to sweep these lows first before coming back up? Or are we just going to suddenly start reversing from here? Then this will establish the lows here, right? As the next higher low. Oh, looks good. Looks good. It's probably going to take several months, even if it does complete, right? And after that, bam! We break out for SELO. But for the moment, yeah, we're being very cautious because we could still take out these lows. And if we were to take out these lows, this could be another 25% towards the downside. So be careful about rushing to a trade too soon for SELO. Donut. Hey, welcome to Dunkin' Donuts. Donut. Okay, we don't have it here. Hey, yo, bro, what are you doing? Donut. We'll have it here on Dex Tools 3 years ago. Okay, we'll look at it here. Anything for donuts, boys and girls? Here we are for donuts. Where is the high? Ah, okay, so donut is a bit tricky. Because donut is at all-time high. It's at all-time high. So what's the story, Morning Glory? And again, this is a higher high. It's just a marginally higher high. So this is a bit dangerous. Dangerous in the sense that we could come all the way back down. Right? But I mean, in the long run, right, this whole thing could be an A, B, C, D, E. But there's a big dip potentially coming for donut. So I'll be very, very careful about donut. Moreover, we've already crossed the skinny pink line. Who's to say we can't be, collapsing all the way back down now? So if you're already in donuts, I think it'd be wise to secure profits around here, right? For me, I'll be out 100%. If not 100%, 95%, 95%, I'll be out of donut. I mean, of course, if I accumulated here, right? So yeah, donut is a no-go. It's an absolute no-go. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top social tokens. And if you have yet to check it out, yesterday we did gaming coins. So go check it out. See you guys. Have a great day.